see if we can hear the baby today. Well, baby's moving, so probably could. 17 weeks, 2 days today. Last time I tried to listen with the Doppler at about 17 weeks, the baby was too stubborn. If I didn't feel the baby move, I would have freaked out. Don't mind her. She's jealous. No, descends la grosse. Woo! Baby gave me a kick as soon as I poked him or her. I leave baby's head down because I can feel the feet at the top of my uterus, an inch below my belly button. Can't really get a good reading because baby keeps moving. Kick me again. This is about 135. Oh. I don't know if you guys can see that. Oh, 65. That's at the top of my uterus. And can't hear anything. Yep, baby's really down there. Just poked me again. And you can tell the difference between baby's heartbeat and mine, because listen to how fast this is going. And this is my heartbeat. See how it's going much slower? See how it's dropping on here? That means it's your heartbeat. Then you get this much faster heartbeat here. That's the baby. And see, it climbs up. See, now if this was my heartbeat, I'd have to go to the hospital right now, so this is definitely the baby. So take a paper towel or something to wipe off the gel off of the handle and off of your belly. And you should be good. This is for my fiance that is away. at work so he can listen to the heartbeat. Hope you've enjoyed.